Hi guys, today we're going to talk about a really cool app that will allow you to turn in packets to your teachers by scanning them. So first things first, what we're going to do is we're going to go to your app store. So if you're on an Android, that's going to be your Google Play. What you're going to do in the search engine is you're going to type in CamScanner and we're going to find that app. Hopefully it'll be the first one that pops, if not one that matches, and we're going to install that. Now, for CamScanner, it's very cool. All you're going to have to be doing is taking photos of each page of your packet and you can email it directly to your teacher. So it's going to be very helpful for you turning in those packets and not having to worry about what to do after. Once you have scanned your packets, please put them somewhere safe. Hold on to them because we'll still need the hard copy when you guys come back. Once we got it downloaded, what we're going to do is open our lovely app. Once that app is downloaded, what we're going to do is allow it to have access to our photos and media on our phone. From there, it's going to show us a very neat little tutorial about what the app entails, what it does. And now it's going to ask us to join for a 3 free day trial. What we're going to do is we're going to look at the very bottom and we're going to say skip. This should be a 100% free app, so we're not going to pay for it here. It's then going to ask us to register. That is up to you. You can register if you want. I'm going to say let's just go on. What we're going to do is click down on that lovely camera. We're going to allow it again to take photos using our camera. We're going to skip the demo and just hop right to it. Because we have packets that are so large, what we're going to do is click down at the bottom for the batch icon. So for that, we're allowed to take multiple photos instead of just the cap of 3. So that's going to be very helpful for us. Once we have batch selected, we're going to put our papers in front, get that nice green square, and take a photo. Now we're going to photograph all of our pages that we have until we reach the end of our document. Once we reach the end of our document, it does give us an option to reshape our photos in case we got a little too much at the table or not enough of our paper. So what we're going to do is drag on those circles on each of the corners just to make sure everything lines up nice and well. And what we can do is we can also scroll through each of our pages to make sure they are looking clean. Once we have that, we're going to title our document. So please title your document the same name as your packet along with your name. So your title is going to be a little large. That's okay. After we've titled it, what we're going to do is go up to the top and hit OK. From there, what we can do is we can reorder our pages in case anything got out of order. We can also double check that our previews are looking sharp. After we've looked at our previews just to make sure everything is good, what we're going to do is share our document. We're going to go up to the top right. We're going to click on that middle symbol for sharing, and we're going to select PDF. After that, we're going to get a pop-up about our authentication for our files. We're just going to click Got It. From there, we're going to select our email, and then we're going to type in our teacher's email. Once we've double-checked that the teacher's email is spelled correctly, we're going to send it off, and you're all done. Nice job.